guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today I'm here with my best friend Peyton. Hi! And today we are doing Christmas looks. So yeah, I'm actually super excited. I'm so excited that it's Christmas.
We have 34 days till Christmas.
That's actually really soon. So yeah, I'm super excited and I can't wait for Christmas. Like, it's my favorite holiday ever. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, but before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and Casey's channel and my Day Daily Gaming channel. And make sure to go check out my t-shirts. We'll link them down in the description box below. They're so comfortable and they're so cute. So yeah. Guys, I got a second piercing. I don't know if you can see it, but the big one's the second piercing, and Pearl has 3. But yeah, that's about all the new news. So let's get on to the video.
Oh, and should we make a Daryl and Pearl channel?
Yes, we should.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, bye.
Okay, well, I'm gonna start with primer. The marshmallow primer. That was a lot. Oh, it fell.
I know.
Now, I'm going to spray this on.
It's rose primer water.
Yep. And it is from FM. I don't know where it's from, actually.
That was cool.
Okay, let's move on. Go ahead and choose from one of your...
I have one more too, but it fell. This one. The first one that you grabbed me, but I said no.
Good.
This is not my color.
Oh. Try doing the one that I'm doing. We're gonna do foundation. We'll be right back.
Oh, we're done.
We're done. Now we gotta do the powder. All right, I'm gonna do bronzer now. This is a new butter bronzer, so.
Oh yeah, can I do the Smurfs? I mean the first, the first smell.
Okay.
Oh!
It smells so good.
I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna put that all over my face.
Okay. And why do you do that?
Because then it makes me look more tan.
Alrighty, well, I'm just doing powder like normal. Okay, this light looks like really harsh, so it makes us look like really white, but it's okay.
I'm extraordinary.
Yes, you are.
I know. Now, I'm gonna do eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm gonna do blush.
I thought you said you were doing eyeshadow.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I did not. Replay. Now, I'm gonna do eyeshadow.
See?
Wow, I look so tan. I'm so keeping this on. Okay, now I'm gonna do eyeshadow.
I'm gonna make it look kind of like I'm cold because I'm doing a Christmas. So.
I'm doing this one.
Should we do the same one?
Mm-hmm.
Then we're gonna do that. Shout out to Sawyer and shout out to all my other friends.
And shout out to Tommen or Cayman. I don't know his real name, so we're just gonna say that.
So I'm gonna do like a white like shimmer base first, just cause like I don't want it to just be plain. So for this, I'm gonna use my finger cause it shows up better.
Wait, I'm just gonna copy her.
Good.
Wow, that's pretty shimmery.
Mhm.
Okay, now what do I do?
Wait for me.
I don't really got no time. I was gonna beep all night. Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Baby, need to know. Whoa.
Okay, now I'm taking this red color and doing it like eyeliner technically. I'm gonna finish the top and then I'll be back. Your eyeliner is on point. I know, right? Okay, let's do the bottom.
It's like not even close to my eyebrow.
Nope.
I mean, eyelash, look. See?
Yep. Okay, I gotta do the green under.
Okay. Pretty schmancy Francie.
All right, so now that we finished with that, we're gonna do the little Santa hats up here.
Oh no.
It's not gonna work.
Okay, I'm gonna be using this red. I think that was pretty snazzy.
I can't believe Sway's gonna be my brother.
I can't believe he's gonna be my second brother.
He'll be your fourth brother.
No.
It's
No.
because Nash, Crew, and Jax.
No. It's Jax, Crew, Nash, so he'll be my fourth.
Exactly.
No. Replay! To see that I'm right always. I can't believe he's gonna be my second brother.
He'll be your fourth brother. Nash, Crew, and Jax.
No. It's Jax, Crew, Nash, so he'll be my fourth.
Exactly. Okay, let's do the little hats.
Wait, mascara. We have to do mascara. Okay, time for mascara.
What the frick are you doing?
I'm doing the
White part.
Santa's hat is red. Oh, it's just. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna do this now.
Stop what to do.
Do what I'm gonna do.
Why does that look brown?
Probably because the brush you used has like a different color on it, like yellow.
No, why are you doing it on both?
Aren't we supposed to do?
No. Oh my gosh, Daya, you're so doomed.
Okay, let's do this hat.
Okay, I did my hat. I think my hat looks pretty smushy. Look at that.
It's so stubby.
Yours looks like a mountain. I'm done. Now I need to add mascara.
Okay, now I'm gonna do this.
Ooh, what's that? Glitter? Ooh. What'd you do to your face?
Oh, I have not done mascara yet. That's why I look so ugly.
We'll be right back until day is done.
Okay, I'm doing my lips now.
Oh. I'm using this one. Done. This is the best I've ever done lips. Isn't that sad?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can I please help you?
No.
Look at how perfect my lipstick is.
I think mine's way better.
Can I just put lip gloss on it?
No,
That
ma'am.
looks so glossy.
Here, I can do it.
No, I want to do it, please. Let me
Yeah,
do
I
it.
want to try it.
Please
And
let
then
me
you
do
can
it.
do it.
No, you won't let me do it.
Yes, I will.
You
Because I'm
promise?
going to mess up.
It actually kind of looks good. Do that to the top now.
Behind the scenes.
Try being normal.
I got this.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Why did you make me do
I
that?
didn't.
See, I fixed it. Without your help.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you like follow this look because it's actually really cute. And we like doing it, and the lips are like perfect. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. Today, oh my gosh.
Oh, I thought your water spilled outside. And where's my phone?
I don't know. It's in your pocket.
That's fine.
Oh, 3, 2, 1. Boop! Action.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today I'm here with my page fan paper.
What was that?
Page fan paper.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, bye.
Woo, 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 woo. Okay, bye.
Okay, I'm gonna be on point this. No! Oh my gosh! It just got. Hey, you made the. Uh-oh. I missed.
Something happened.
What?
Just broke.
What were you doing with it?
I didn't do nothing. I just walked by it and it was broken.
Okay, it's alright.
Whose is it?
I think it's Kaysen's. Love you.
So it's like. Okay. It's like I just walked out. I didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything.
No, he said, I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, I didn't do nothing, guys.